बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज इस वीडियो में MS वर्ड के MCQs हम कवर करने वाले हैं। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आपसे एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में बेल आइकन प्रेस करें ताकि नई वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। What stores all frame associated with a web page in a single file called the four options are given। 4 ऑप्शन आपको दिए गए हैं। ऑथराइजिंग पेज, टेक्स्ट पेज, फ्रेम्स पेज, हाइपरलिंक पेज। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज C। If you need to hide some paragraph, how can you do it in MS Word? From paragraph dialog box, from front dialog box, from option dialog box, none of the above. The correct option is B. Dash are types of wizard and templates in the resume wizard dialog box. 4 ऑप्शन आपको दिए गए हैं। स्टैंडर्ड, कंटेम्प्रेरी, sophisticated, professional, contemporary and elegant, formatted, unformatted and graphic, basic, comprehensive and formatted. The correct option is B. What is the tool in Word that copies only the format of selected text so that you can apply on other text? Copy, paste, format painter, paste special. The correct option is C. Although it is not shown in normal view, to view a header, click dash on the menu bar and then click header and footer. View, edit, format, tools. The correct option is A. The MLS style specifies that a superscript be used for a note reference mark to signal an explanatory note exists either at the bottom of the page as a। 4 ऑप्शन आपको दिए गए हैं। footnote or at the end of the document as a start note, head note or at the end of the document as an end note, footnote or at the end of the document as an end note, head note or at the end of the document as a start note. So the correct option is C. Which of the following function key is used for spelling and grammar in MS Word? F5, F7, F9, Shift plus F7. So the correct option is B. Which keystroke is used for updating a field in MS Word? F6, F9, F11, F12. So the correct option is B. The paragraph mark is a formatting mark that indicates where the dash was pressed. Tab key, spacebar, enter key, shift key. Correct option is C. To display more of the documents on the screen in print layout view, the dash can be hidden. White space at the top of the pages, white space at the bottom of the pages, gray space between pages, all of the above. Correct option is D. Which of the following typically appears at the end of the document for a citation of source? Endnotes, footnotes, header, footer. Correct option is A. To advance rightward from one cell to the next in a table, press the dash key, tab, backspace, home, enter. Correct option is A. Which key deletes the character to the left of the cursor? And, backspace, home, delete. The correct option is B. Where is the quick access toolbar and when should you use it? Upper left corner and use it for your favorite commands. Floats over your text and use it when you need to make formatting changes. Home to tab and use it when you need to quickly launch or start new document. None of the above. The correct option is A. When you save a file as a web page, what converts the content of the document into Java, Perl, HTML, Unix? इसका सही जवाब है C. Footnotes, endnotes and indexes are all inserted as bookmarks, cross references, hyperlinks, word fields. The correct option is D. Which menu do you choose to create header in Office 365? Format header and footer, view header, insert header and footer, view header and footer. The correct option is C. What happens when you insert an AutoShape by simply clicking in the document? It appears near the insertion point. It is inserted in its default size. Is selected all of the above. Correct option is D. The dash indents all the lines of a paragraph except first line in MS Word. First line indent marker, hanging indent marker, left indent marker, right indent marker. The correct option is B. A dash is a formatting mark at the end of a line that moves the insertion point to the beginning of the next physical line. Paragraph break character, non-breaking character, line break character, non-breaking hyphen. The correct option is C. Which options enables automatic updates in destination documents? Embedding, objects, links, relationship. The correct option is C. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही काफ़ी है। इंशाल्लाह आपसे मुलाकात होगी अगली वीडियो में। तब तक इजाज़त दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।